Hi, everyone, and welcome to this beginner-friendly guide to the stock market. If you've always wanted to invest but felt confused, scared, or simply overwhelmed, this video is made just for you. We'll break down exactly how the stock market works, how to get started, what apps to use, what strategies to follow, and most importantly, how to avoid losing money. So grab a notebook. Let's upgrade your money mindset and start your investing journey the right way. Chapter 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're buying a small piece of ownership in that company. Think of it like this. If Apple has 1 million shares and you buy one, you own 1/1,000,000th of Apple. The value of your share goes up or down based on company performance, news, investor demand, global trends. There are two main markets in most countries. Primary market, for IPOs, when a company goes public. Secondary market, where shares are traded daily. Chapter 2. Why should you invest? 4 minutes. Saving money is smart, but investing it is powerful. Why? Because of compound growth. Let's say you save $100 each month. After 10 years, you have $12,000. But if you invest it with an average return of 10% per year, you can have $20,000+ instead. Investing helps beat inflation, grow your wealth. Reach long-term goals, buying a house, retirement, education, etc. Earn passive income through dividends. Chapter 3. Types of stocks. Not all stocks are the same. Here are the most common types. Blue chip stocks. Big, stable companies like Apple, Microsoft, etc. Growth stocks. Companies expected to grow fast, often tech. Dividend stocks. These give you regular income. Penny stocks. Cheap but risky. Value stocks. Undervalued companies with potential. As a beginner, start with blue chip or index funds. Less risky, more stable. Chapter 4. How to open a DMAT/trading account. You need a DMAT account to store shares and a trading account to buy/sell them. Here's how to open one. Choose a trusted broker like Zerodha, Upstocks, Robinhood, etc. Submit KYC, ID proof, PAN, bank details, link your bank account. You're ready to go. Most platforms now offer apps with zero brokerage on delivery trades. Chapter 5. Understand market terms. Learn the language of investors. Here are a few must-know terms. Bull market, market going up. Bear market, market going down. IPO, initial public offering. Portfolio, collection of your investments. Index, Sensex, Nifty, S&P 500, market indicators. Market cap, company size based on value. PE ratio, price